Hi there, my name is Lilit. I'm doing content management and writing a blog for Bank2Joom at www.bank2joom.com. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of our latest templates, B2J Manook. Please mind, this is not an in-depth, developer-friendly tutorial. Indeed, this tutorial aims at providing you some general insight on what B2J Manook is all about. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own action. This is what Dalai Lama said, and we decided to follow. We created this great template to give happiness and help the charity NGOs reach for higher audiences. This Joomla 2.5 and 3.0 ready, responsive, and Retina ready template is built around K2 component for Joomla. We have examined all the needs and core principles every charity NGO will ever need. So having unique design with bright color theme by default, we hope that this great template will reflect the bright work you do with your charities. Over here you can see the template features used, and as for the extensions, let me say that B2J Manook is a mighty combination of care, happiness, and functionality. And this is what the functionality is all about, the mighty B2J extensions used. B2J Calendar for K2, B2J Acquires Layer Slider, B2J Alpha Image Gallery Pro, B2J Social Share plugin, and of course, our newly released B2J Contact component, which is a great component for creating online stores. So I hope you guys got interested. So I'm too anxious to jump into the demo and show you this great template in action. Alright, here it is. The bright color theme by default immediately catches your eyes. Right over here you can see this heart-shaped logo designed specifically for this template by our talented designer Hovo, and on the other side you can see the donate now button, which I'm gonna talk about at the end. Having a charitable NGO, I know how crucial it is to have an option so that people can contribute. Right above it you can see the social share plugin, so you can start sharing right away. Let's move to the button, and over here you can see the custom module from Bank2Joom for the for viewing the demos. So choose your favorite template and see it in action, but I'm not gonna do it now. What I'm gonna do is show you the great color themes by default, the great color themes this great template has got. So it comes with the following color presets to match the colors of your charitable NGO. You can choose the antique brass, the baby blue, the olive drop, the outrageous orange, and the selective yellow, which is the one by default. Let's change it to the baby blue and see how this great template turns out to be. Okay, here you can see. I personally like the one by default, so I'm gonna change it to the selective yellow. Let me mix this out and start introducing this great template. So the homepage starts with a nice slider. Here it is, B2J Acquires Layer Slider. When you hover on it, it's gonna show you this error, so you can manually change the picture. We also have included some custom text fields, so you can write some words which you think describe the best your picture, like the moments of childhood happiness. You can see over here the About Us module, so include some information, some background information about your NGO, and you have probably noticed this great nicely done pure CSS icons for donation, mission, and works. And as we scroll down, we see the news and events, some latest news about the events that are going on with your charities, and of course we know how NGOs would like to give thanks and appreciate their partners and sponsors, so we have included a place so that they can showcase their partners. On the sidebar we have included contacts so people can get in touch with you, maybe by calling you, or maybe visiting your social platforms on different medias, a bit of an information on your mission, and of course, if they really want to get some latest news, they can subscribe right from here. All right, let me go to the About Us. You can see this really nice drop-down menu which takes you to our mission. I'm not gonna go there, but I'm gonna go to the we part, so you can see the this great page. Yes, here it is. Some picture of an administration, of course, welcome message from the board. Our supporters part is the same, so I'm not gonna go there. I'm gonna go to our works, which are projects, magazine, and theater videos. Let's go to the projects and finished. Okay, this is really important. It will really nicely get you organize your project, which are in process or finished. How all of this done are, you should look for the custom field in your item when creating the items, and make sure to mention the end date for the specific project, so when the deadline comes, the projects will be automatically moved from being in process to complete. Alright, so this is one of the K2 categories views, and it has got some items over here listed. On the over here you can see the B2J calendar for K2, the Flickr module for the photo album, and of course a module so as you can embed a video. Alright, these are the projects. Magazine is a great way to have another option to reach for people, so those of us who are who don't really have time to buy newspapers can read an online magazine over here on your website. Alright, let's go to news and events, and this one is my favorite K2 category view. I just love it. If you have noticed, when you hover on it, it becomes colored. Alright, so again, B2J calendar for K2, Flickr module. Let's go to a single item view, for instance to the art therapy with kids, and let me show you the single item view. You can see over here the date when it's been created, or maybe when the event actually took place. A bit of an information with really nice typography, which I will talk about at the end. Some place to have text, the categories, and of course we know sharing is caring, so we have included social share plugin, so you can start sharing on your favorite social media platform, or simply email it or fax it, whatever. We have also included some place for the author, so people can read about the author or get in touch, and comments. And of course, as you have probably noticed, the spam one with the Chinese character, we have included a capture so as you won't see those spams. Alright, this is the single K2 item view. Let me go to the gallery and save photos. Okay, the all of these are done with the help of Simple Image Gallery Pros, which will display your memories from charity events with really nice effects. And you can see the archive module, which organizes your folders in a really nice way, and you can see the number thing over here, so it states how many items, how many pictures are included in that specific folder. We have included the K2 calendar, so yeah, when you click on the album on the specific folder, it's gonna take it over here, and when you hover on it, you can include some specific text for the specific picture. Alright, let me talk about the B2J calendar a bit. I love one of my favorite features from B2J calendar. let me see where, yeah, over here you can see the dates and the stars over here, the yellow stars. So what this means is that for that specific date it has some event or anything connected with it. So for instance, if I click on July 11th, it says that About Us was created there. So and if I really want to see it, I'm gonna click on it and it's gonna take you to the single item view for that specific item. All right, let's go to the library. We also decided that this template should contain a library, which will allow you to list your favorite books, and it has also got a great option to download PDF and share the knowledge. We have also included some tags over here. All right, here is what about the library. I'm not gonna go to the K2 because basically I've talked about it, just the K2 users weren't, but you can explore it yourself. Let's go to typography and see what great typography have been used for this template. As you can see, the headings H1, H2, the paragraph stylings, the blog posts, the highlights, and of course the system messages. All right, and I really want to show you the great modules which have been used for this template, which is the B2J Accelerus Layer Slider module, which you have probably recognized from the home page. Yes, here it is. The calendar module, which is the B2J calendar for K2, our newly released B2J contact component with its B2J contact module, which is included in the component itself, a subscribe module, and a really nice archive module which will organize your folders in a nice way, a bit fun information on your organization with the help of About Us module. Of course, Alpha Image Gallery Pro, which will showcase ideally your partners and sponsors, some recent comments over here, and if you have remembered to use the CAPTCHA, you won't get all these spams. And we have also included a video module which will embed a video from YouTube or wherever, some photo album module from Flickr, a Google Map module, and of course the news and events module. All right, these were the pages. Yes, and let's go to a personalized 404 page done by a great and talented designer. Hello. 404 page you're looking for is not found, but here you go, you get to go home over here. Okay, and it's high time. I think I have introduced you to the donation, which is the one I have talked about at the beginning, with this great donate now button. So one of the most crucial and initial function a charity will ever need is having an option to contribute. So that's we have included the donation option where everyone can donate and have their input in a great cause, which you can find just on the top right corner by clicking on the donate now button, or on a specific page which is an ideal place to showcase your cause, talk about it a bit, provide some background so people can know what your great cause is all about. Maybe you have some really nice memories connected with it, so you can have the photos demonstrated over here, and of course embed some video which is really related over here. Okay, so this is one of the most important pages on for a charity organization. Let's go to contact, and let me show you the contact page, which has included the Google Map module, so people where you are, where your office is. They can write a message with the help of B2J contact module, and a bit of an information about you. Maybe you're not working on Saturdays, or it's convenient not to call you during lunchtime. Alright, so as B2J Manook is all about helping the others, or as our designer mentioned, help the ones you don't even know, we have included, of course, the help button over here, so you can search whatever you haven't found it in this template, but you think we have, so feel free to search it. So this basically sums up B2J Manook, which is really fully responsive, retina ready template, and as I've already mentioned, is a mighty combination of care, kindness, and happiness. B2J Manook comes to help, inspired to support a good cause. We really hope you liked our template, and I really hope you liked the tutorial. Please give some feedback, comments, I don't know, spam me with your emails, anyway. And don't forget to check out my blog at www.banktojoom.com/blog. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and have a great day. Bye bye.